It is week 3 in Developmental Literacy Lab, and we are talking about interactive writing this week, where the teacher and child share the pen to create an enlarged text to be used as an anchor chart in your room or to be used as a piece of shared reading. Your outcome this week is to be able to create and teach an interactive writing lesson with one student. Please view all of the videos of interactive writing that are found in week 3. Read the excerpt, Interactive Writing and Interactive Editing. There are 2 articles found under the lesson activities on Moodle which I would like for you to read. The first is Interactive Writing. The second is Extending Interactive Writing into grades 2 through 5. All right, after you've read all the information and you've viewed the videos and you've processed everything, now I want you to create and teach a lesson to your selected case study student. You may include other children if you would like in this lesson, but it has to have your case study student in it. Please use the attached lesson plan form to plan your lesson, and remember to be explicit with your objectives. What do you want the students to be able to do and learn from this lesson? Videotape yourself teaching the lesson. Post the lesson plan and the video link on our discussion board. And here is our interactive writing lesson plan template. Again, you may want to use Screencast-O-Matic to record and then upload to YouTube. That is up to you. Your video is due by Saturday at 11:59 p.m. Your video is worth 40 points and will be scored using the Week 3 rubric posted on Moodle, which is specific to interactive writing. Before you submit your video, I highly suggest you self-assess using the Week 3 rubric. Again, if you have any questions, concerns, complaints, please don't hesitate to reach out to me via email. I want you to be successful. Thank you. I look forward to watching your videos.